and we are having a period about that is called prepaid, right? That is called about 84 days. Daily you'll have about 2 GB of pack, right? This is called prepaid. Already we have actually we are just going to paid, right? And then we are just now consuming later. That is called prepaid. And this is what called postpaid, right? So if, for example, electricity, right? So if you're just going to consuming electrical power for our home needs or maybe a living thing, right? So and as well as industry people, they are just going to manufacturing or good, they are just going to processing some materials and they're just going to sell it into my market, right? For the purpose, they are also consuming electrical power, and we people, right, as a domestic people, right, living people, we are also using electrical power supply for our own living things, right? Sophisticated life thing, right? So and same thing, how much energy we have consumed for the purpose, we are just what could I say, we are just a charge, right? And we are just going to paying our money. That is what called post pay. After consumption, we are just going to pay a bill, right? How much energy actually we just consumed, for that purpose we are just going to pay. So this also actually we are just going to speaking about money. That's why it's called also called as economic level. And anyway, today topic is nothing but uh, rate structures, that is called utility rate structure, right? What basis actually that structure is now framed, and how actually that tariff rate is now framed, what are the things which is involved, or maybe what are the things which is now influenced, or maybe what are the basic things which is required to sketch or to formulate that tariff. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு 600 ரூபி ஜியோ ஆர் மேபி ஏர்டெல் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறாங்கன்னா அந்த 600 ரூபி எதை மீன் பண்ணது, ரைட்? ஒய் ஆக்சுவலி விச் ரெஃபரன்ஸ் ஒன்லி தேர் டெஃபினெட்லி தெர் இஸ் அ ரெஃபரன்ஸ், ரைட்? ஸோ அதை வச்சுதான் அவங்க வந்து அவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் பே உங்களுக்கு சார்ஜ் பண்றாங்க, ரைட்? அந்த சார்ஜ், ரைட், தட் இஸ் கால்டு மணி. உங்களுக்கு ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி சார்ஜ் நமக்கு இருக்குன்னா டேரிஃப் ரேட் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா அந்த டேரிஃப் ரேட்டை ஹவு தே ஆக்சுவலி ஃப்ரேமிங், தட்ஸ் கால்டு ஹவு ஆக்சுவலி தட் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இஸ் நவ் ஃப்ரேமிங். அந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சரை ஃப்ரேம் பண்றதுக்கு வாட் ஆர் த திங் இஸ் நவ் ரெக்வயர்ட் ஆக்சுவலி, அதெல்லாம் எது ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணுது. That's why it's called utility rate structures. So on the utility level, we are just going to see about only two energy, right? One is commonly we're speaking about electricity energy, because we people already know many things, right, about electricity energy, and we'll go with that natural gas energy, right? These are the two types of energy. And with these energy which we are just going to discuss about rate structures, how it actually it's going to be choosing, right? So we'll see today. Got the idea, right? What actually we are just going to do. So on the meaning purunjana, it will be very easy to go with it, right? So there is a big thing is now happening over that behind that screen, right? And so these are the some thing, right? So these are black, this is symbolic. It's a small picture, I just get it from internet. It will be useful for today topic, right? Also this is electrical power plug-in, and this is the money, right? So dollar RMB 100 rupee, right? If you, how much energy we are just consuming, for that purpose we need to pay. That is now electrical charge, right? That's why I just got a small image for you people, that customer service, right? And like previous bill and this much, right? And we'll have, sorry, right, we'll have one more thing, right, over here, electrical bill, right? So for a we'll have a shocking news, right? By seeing this picture. So if you're unexpectedly, if your electrical bill is much high, in the sense, definitely we'll get a shock, right? We'll see later, right? Some electrical rate sections will be framed based upon energy supplier only, right? So not from us, right? As there is a supply, right? So definitely for in Tamil Nadu will have a tangent go, and there is a different, right? The different state there will have a different public sector will be there, or some private sector will be also there, right? And Tamil Nadu, while speaking, it will be TNEB is now converted into tangent go, and we'll see how actually the tariff rate is now framed, and how what are the things now played a major role behind that tariff rate. We'll see one by one. And we'll see more second thing, that actually I have taught the same topic in my previous batches. That's why there is a many annotations over here, just neglected to those things. Anyway, 1 second wait it, and 1 second wait pananga, I'm just going to remove those annotations, right? 1 second, 1 second, because I just taught the same topic which is my our previous batches. That's why there is a many annotation will be there. I'm just going to remove it 1 second, because you know, you people already know, so batch 1, batch 2, that's why minimum 1 minute more than more, right? So 1 second wait. Yeah, it's everything is now removed. One second, I'm just going to share that particular tab, right? Now you could see my screen, right? Anyway, before what could I say? Before Monday, I'm just going to share my entire video lectures classes as well as PPT to you people. You can just go through it and you can just download it. Maybe you could store in our laptop or maybe PC. Just have it for a reference purpose, right? In future purpose, right? So now, before going to that electrical utility rate structures, or maybe a normal general format about utility rate structures, before going to that, we people as a consumer, we need to understood about what actually that bill, what actually utility bill. அப்படிங்கிறது we need to have much idea, right? Then only we could able to easily understood about utility rate structures, right? Before going to that, we need to understood about bill. What actually bill? So bill in the sense, if you're just going to buy something as some buy some products in a retailer shop, definitely they're just going to show you bill, right? So in bill, what all the things will be there? So these are some features I just took it from internet, right? So one is the electricity bill, and this is electricity bill, and this is what a natural gas bill. So both are now British based, right? Anyway, for reference purpose, I just took it, right? We'll see a normal original bill by later, right? By later slides, right? So this slide, it will be a small introduction slide, that's why, right? In the bill, right? So because why I'm just taking internet sample bill in the sense, right? These bills contains more info compared to my Tangent Go bill, right? We'll see later, right? So why I'm just telling like that. So I'm just having original Tangent Go bill my own home. That's why I'm not taking that introduction data by introduction I need to tell you more information. That's why I just took it from internet. So bill la pathina definitely என்ன இருக்கும், what are the company, right? So they're just going to sell it that product. So in the form of electricity, this is a BPL company something, right? So now, what could I say, in uh, European countries, right? And electricity usage profile, and which is a customer which they are just using அவங்களுடைய entire address and phone number, everything, right? And bill summary, it will be there, as well as in that company, the energy supplier company, who their logo, their phone number, their address, their GST number, their everything, right? So it will be there. And next thing, billing summary, it will be there. Billing summary in the sense, so how much electricity energy you have consumed, right? So in the form of unit, and what are the tariff rate, it will be there, and total charges will be there. It initially, it will be coming, right? And then how to shop for electricity, there will be some what could I say, there is some guidelines will be there. So how actually you're just going to utilize. So அந்த utilize பண்றதுக்கான some proverb, as well as some rules will be there. You could just follow. இது யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா வேஸ்டேஜஸ் நீங்க ரெடியூஸ் பண்ண முடியும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. And then you will have that graph, right? So for example, billing period 30 days once, in the sense, and the 30 days, they will give you about graphical representation, which day actually we just consume much energy. So அது எல்லாமே அவங்க கிராஃபிக்ல உங்களுக்கு காமிச்சிருவாங்க. And then tariff rate, monthly previous month data, they will just given, right? And manage your account, pay your bill. So online எப்படி pay பண்ணலாம், எல்லா டேட்டாமே கொடுத்துருவாங்க. So much information will be available in my what could I say, foreign countries, right? And then this is what one more example bill for a usage of my utility gas bill, right? அதுக்கும் அதே மாதிரி தான், right? Every data will be there. So actually, what it is bill, that amount of a facility of a commercial building, right, is expected to pay for electricity as well as water. So that utility bill varying, right, based upon your usages, right? Definitely. So based upon consumption, definitely they will charge you by different charge, right? So what actually, what is a bill? It is a bill, or maybe a some of a paper, or maybe a computer generated bill, or maybe a normal handwriting bill. That is a documentation purpose. They're just going to store it in their office, or maybe they're just going to send you later, right? That is called document, which is sent to legal addresses, right? So as a customer address, actually they're just going to send you by post or courier, or maybe email also, they're just going. But nowadays, Tamil Nadu also is now moved into some of better, right? So olden days la enna பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, they will call you by phone, or they will inform you by letter, right? But nowadays, somewhat it's now changed, right? So digital India mari digital Tamil Nadu, now they are also sending you by SMS, and they will just sending you by email also, right? I'm just going to show you later, right? So now that send requesting payment, they will just send you for a particular address, right? For electrical usage or maybe a water nowadays, right? ஸோ டெஃபினெட்லி இதுதான் பில். ஸோ பில் என்ன இருக்க போது, எவ்வளோ எனர்ஜி நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களோ அதுக்கு வி நீட் டு பே. ஸோ அந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் மெயினாக இருக்கும். அண்ட் ஹவு மச் யூனிட் யூ ஹேவ் கன்சியூம்டு, வாட் ஆர் பில்லிங் பீரியட், அண்ட் வாட் ஆர் த டைம் பீரியட் டு டியூ டேட், ரைட்? இந்த டியூ டேட்டுக்குள்ள பே பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறது இருக்கும். And it, I'm just now going to share with you one more small picture. So that picture will be my own previous month data, right? In my own home, like how actually I just got a bill, right? I'm just going to show you. So now I'm just going to share my entire screen. That it will be easy to view my entire screen. That's why now I'm just going to moving into my entire screen. Right? I think you could see my entire screen. Anyone? Yeah, it's getting sharing. Yeah, it's sad, right? Now you could see my entire screen. Now this is a bill. I just got it from my email, right? So this is a email, right? So these are the information, right? So they just send it by email, right? Gmail and Kondruko, right? So this is what my system generated mail. That is not Tamil Nadu Generation Distribution Corporation Limited and Maytur EDC. That's called the division is now Maytur, because we are just living by nearby Maytur and the Salem, as well as we are just getting in this section, right? And assessment for 9th September month 2020 year, right? And this is a service number. Actually, while we got a agreement, right? As a consumer, we need to have agreement with my energy consumer, energy supplier, right? Who is actually they're just going to give us energy, right? That time they're just going to give you some number like a phone number, right? So and the consumer name, so my father name and address will be Vaikundam, it will be nearby Salem, right? And a tariff, just note it down. So this is a much more important thing which we are just going to see about these things. This is the utility rate tariff, right? This is a utility energy tariff. So just note it down, LA1A, right? We'll see different tariff, right? So இது பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு புரியாது, but with reference this LA1A, we are just going to see some rules and regulations, right? And the tariff rate we'll see with the help of this number. And single phase energy and assessed units, around 280 units we have consumed about my last month, right? A single phase power supply. That bill date actually, so bill date pathina it will be now, so 4th September to 24th September, right? So it will be 20 days once, right? So this is what my accessed unit, so 280 units and 20 days, and charge about my this much 280 kilowatt hour, that is now 280,000. So 280 zero comma triple zero, right? So 2 lakh 8, it will be in the form of unit, right? So now that rupees calculation, it will be 440. That is called current charge, right? So current month charge, CC. And we'll have one more charge, just note it down. There's now one more charge, that is now fixed cost. What actually fixed cost? 30 rupee. Every month we need to pay about 30 rupee. This is not a variable cost, this is a fixed cost, right? We'll see different இதெல்லாம் எப்படி அவங்க frame பண்றாங்க, right? So this is called utility rate structure, right? In the rate, right? This all the thing is now called money. How actually they just framing this money, right? This is how actually they just framing money. This is why it's called utility rate structure. How actually they are just framing, right? We need to raise a question actually. So why நாம யாருமே question raise பண்றதில்ல, but we need to actually raise a question. But question raise பண்ணா கண்டிப்பா நமக்கு electricity power supply connection கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க, கட் பண்ணி விட்டுருவாங்க, right? Anyway, we need to write as a consumer, we need to have a rights, right? So we need to be able to write queries. But actually that office fellow, they need, in order to, they need to explain, but actually no one just going to explain, right? Anyway, we'll go, right? So fixed cost, what actually fixed cost? ஏன் 30 rupee among fix பண்றாங்க? And how CC charge 440 rupee? ஏன் எனக்கு ஏன் 440 அப்படின்னு கொஸ்டின் கேட்டப்ப கண்டிப்பா அவங்க என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, நீங்க 280 கிலோவாட் எனர்ஜி யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. நான் ஏன் 280 கிலோவாட் யூஸ் பண்ணேன்னா, பிகாஸ் we have consumed much electricity energy, because we just run about our electrical appliance நிறைய ரன் பண்ணிருப்போம், ரைட்? அப்ப எந்த ரேட்ல யூ ஆர் ஜஸ்ட் ஃபிக்ஸிங் திஸ் மச் அமௌண்ட் அப்படின்னு நம்ம கொஸ்டின் கேட்கலாம். அவங்க ஒரு ரேட் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த ரேட் தான் ஹவ் ஆக்சுவலி தே ஜஸ்ட் ஃப்ரேமிங், ரைட்? வில் சி ஒன் பை ஒன். And MD penalty, that is called maximum demand penalty. So because I am just using single phase power supply in our home, we are not going to consume much energy. That's why we are not having any penalty for a maximum demand, right? Single phase power energy, we are not just going to give beyond 20 ampere per power. And PF, that is called another provident fund, will have power factor penalty. It is now power factor penalty. We are not using much induction motors in our home. only we are having small ceiling fans and small bore pump, right? It will be small equipment. So that's why heavy induction motors, there is no heavy induction motor in our home. That's why there is no power factor issue and economic tax. So actually we are just domestic people, right? So domestic people, there is no tax. For industrial people, they will have a tax. Anyway, I'm just going to show you different three-phase power supply and industrial power supply utility bill. You will have that these values, right? You will see one by one, right? This is what a single phase power supply. It's original data which I got it from TangentCo on May 2 division, right? We'll see. This is what a utility bill, right? So we'll see about what are the things it will be available behind my screen, right? So how actually utility rate is now structure is now framed, right? We'll see. Now I'm just going to moving into my PPT. So these are the things which is now played a major role to what could I say, to draw the structure about my utility rate, right? And the utility rate எப்படி அவங்க frame பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா, some money is now playing a major role before having the structure. That is called my cost, right? That cost is now played a major role behind that my tariff rate, because tariffing ஒரு amount தானே, right? We'll see. And what are the things it will be involved? Let us assume, so we are just consuming electricity energy from May to division as a we people from Salem, and how actually that energy is now traveled from here, because of May to tram is now around 55 kilometers from away from my home. Definitely power generation station will be away from 55 kilometers. My consumer end it will be 50 kilometers away. So there is a huge distance, 55 kilometers. Of electricity energy definitely the transmission line. Definitely on the energy generated பண்றதுக்கு what are the things definitely needed? We need a power plant, thermal power plant or maybe hydro power plant. ஸோ அதில் என்னென்ன எக்யூப்மெண்ட் தேவைப்படும்? சிவில் கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் இருக்கு, பிளஸ் டர்பைன் இருக்கு, பாய்லர் இருக்கு. ஸோ பாய்லரை பர்ன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு we need a coal energy, we need a biogas energy. So diesel generator we need it. Step up transmission line, we are just using step up and we have a step down. In between we have a substation, right? A distribution transformer and the street post which is carrying my single phase power supply, and we'll have an energy meter to monitor my energies, right? These are the equipment which is involved inside my entire tariff rate. For a tariff rate of plan pandana kandifa, these are the equipment is now which is actually mandatorily which is now required to transfer the electrical power from energy supplier to energy consumer. So அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும், இந்த equipment எல்லாத்தையும் we need to calculate in the form of money. So we need to calculate. That is called very first thing. So for example, I'm just going to show you one more small thing before going into that. Directly we are just going into that. Now I'm just going to move with that. One second. So I'm just going to show you that what could I say before going to that. I'm just got it from a tariff rate from Tamil Nadu TangentCo. One second. I'm just looking for that PDF file. Actually, I just missed it. One second. One second. I'm just looking for a tariff rate about TangentCo. So 2017, it's now revised actually. It's getting revised about 2017 onwards, right? So anyway, I'm just going to download about that one. Anyway, I'm just got it actually. One second. Already downloaded it. One second, I'm just downloaded it already. I'm just looking for here it will be there, right? One page statement, right? This is a which is the statement which I just got it from a TangentCo website. If people also go to just visit that particular website, right? You could have that. You could able to download these things also. So right. So anyone just confirm me whether you could see my PDF file now, because I have just shared my entire screen. Okay. Okay, thank you, Rathi. And this is what a exact tariff rate which actually framed by a TangentCo, right? So that tariff rate, you could able to download this PDF file from. I'm just going to show you that website also. No issues. Just you could go and download, because you people need to definitely need to know these. What could I say? These informations, because we people electrical background, right? So definitely. So if you're just going to maybe attend some interview in a particular company, in the sense they may ask, right? So maybe there is a probability will be very high, because electricity people. So core industry definitely they will ask you 100% damn sure that if you're just going to attend any core industry, maybe local industry as electrical supervisor pouring up, definitely they will raise a query. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா பர் யூனிட் எவ்வளோ இண்டஸ்ட்ரி யூஸ் பண்றாங்க, எவ்வளோ கன்சியூம் பண்றாங்க, பவர் ஃபைடர் டிமாண்ட் எவ்வளோ? Definitely they will raise a question. At least you people need to have much knowledge on this particular area. இதெல்லாம் சிலபஸ்ல இருக்கணும், at very first semester itself இருக்கணும், right? So because these are the things which will be marketplace now needed. But I don't know why actually syllabus is now framing like that. I don't know. So நம்ம அனானிஸ்ட் தான் கேட்கணும், or maybe ACT தான் கேட்கணும். We'll see, right? No, deviate ஆக வேண்டாம். We'll go with it, right? So this is a revised tariff rate, which is effect from 2017 onwards, right? So this is approved rate and payable to the consumer, right? So this is a what could I say? This is a exact document. Just now, around 1 hour before, I just got it from a Tangent website. Anyway, I'm just going to share you those website links, right? So what are the things I'm just getting? Things I'm just going to share you with the web link also, right? So this is now first thing, tier 1 high tension power supply, right? So tariff rate, I already told that. So this is what a tariff rate. I had just what could I say? I showed you my own thing, right? This is what a message. Tariff rate, you got it, right? So this is the first thing, right? So LA 1A, right? Just tariff, that is called as some reference, right? In the reference, watch பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Single phase power supply 1A single phase, right? We'll see here tariff 1A, but tariff it will be high, right? We'll see HT, that is called low tension value, high tension HT tariff 1A. So இதுல இருக்கிற category of consumer நல்லா watch பண்ணி பாருங்க. You could see. So 1A tariff இருக்கிற consumers பாத்தீங்கன்னா industries 1A tariff இருக்கிற peoples, who are all the category of consumers? Industries, registered factories, textile, tea estate, IT companies, some startup companies, right? So you could see that the name itself has the meaning. Some bigger companies, right? Some bigger companies. They're actually industry now, registered factory, textile industry, tea estate, IT industry, right? நல்லா வாட்ச் பண்ணினா தெரியும். They're going to consuming more electricity energy. That's why it's called high tension power supply, right? And அவங்களுக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா tariff fixed by TNEREC, right? So Tamil Nadu Electricity Corporation Limited, a tangent go down, right? So now energy charges per unit 6.35 rupee, 6 rupee 35 paise, right? So per unit, that is called 1 kilowatt hour, right? So அதுக்கு எவ்வளவு pay பண்ணணும்? We need to pay about 6.35. So and then demand charges, that is called maximum demand, right? So per kVA per month, about per kVA we need to pay about 350 rupee, right? We'll see in our SKCT also, we are just having high tension power supply, and we need to also pay about per kVA amount. We'll see one by one, and we'll have a subsidy. In the sense subsidy irunduchuna, we'll have different amount. If you're having any government subsidy irunduchuna, subsidy is nothing but if you're just going to generate what could I say, electricity by own, right, with the help of solar power plant, or maybe renewable energy by using renewable energy. So that maybe you're just going to having individual wind plant, or maybe if you're having a biogas, right? If you're just capable with those things, definitely will have a government will have a subsidy also, right? The actual new scheme, many schemes will be there, right? Now we'll see tier 2, that is called tier 1 B class. B class pathina railway traction. So private railway traction will have those things also. So 6.35 at the same unit, right? So tier 2 class A, so that is called government and government educational institutions, hostel, government hospital. So இவங்களுக்குலாம் எவ்வளவு பில் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். So 6.35 and the same thing 350 kVA, right? We'll see tier 2 class B. So all of the private educational institutions and the hostels it will be coming, right? So this is also the same thing, 6 rupee 35 paise, kVA 350 for all remaining things, right? So third category. So in the third category like varada companies irukku illaya, that is called not covered and then H tension 1A 1B 2A 2B idhula varada companies la irukku illaya, and the companies ku they are just going to pay about 8 rupee. Got idea now that the tariff rate is now changing for those people, right? So 8 rupee 350. And we'll see tariff 4, irrigation purpose societies. You people already know, right? So you're maybe if you're a farmer family, definitely you will just have that idea, because we are not having maximum demand, only we are having electrical power supply for running about our electrical pump only. So we are not going to consuming much energy, right, compared to my factory industries, right? So we are not also going to be part of those things. That's why we are just going to pay about only energy charges only, not more than demand charges. When it's going to pay about energy charges, right? And in one more last category, high tension what is called temporary power supply for a construction and other temporary purpose, right? So for a site construction pandana, definitely they need power supply, right? So but pulling what could I say, that cement, they're just going to what could I say, they're using some lift, right? So maybe mixing that concrete, right? Definitely they need some electrical motors, in the sense they just need a high tension temporary power supply. அவங்களுக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the energy charge will be very high, about 11 rupees per unit. So then, while coming into tier class 2, that is called low tension power supply, right? So as a single phase power supply, that is called, I already told that IALA, low tension 1A, right? So this is what a notation, tariff notation. So இதில் யாரெல்லாம் cover ஆகுறாங்க customer category, right? We'll see, and then with the help of these data only, right, how actually they just framing 6.53 rupee. In the 6.35 rupee அப்படிங்கிறது what actually it means அப்படிங்கிறத யூட்டிலிட்டி ரேட் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ், அந்த அந்த அமௌண்ட்டை ஃப்ரேம் பண்றதுக்கான மெத்தட் தான் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர், ரைட்? ஆக்சுவலி இதே ஜஸ்ட் ஃப்ரேமிங், அதுதான் நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி வாட் ஆர் த அமௌண்ட் அப்படிங்கிறத வி நீட் டு டேக் இன் அக்கௌண்ட், ரைட்? ஸோ அப்பதான் நம்ம வி வில் ஹாவ் பெட்டர் கிளாரிட்டி. தட்ஸ் வை I'm just going to discuss about current charges, right? About it, and once we just finished Tamil Nadu, we'll go with it national, right? India level pola, we'll see. And then this is not my single phase power supply. அதில் யாரெல்லாம் கஸ்டமர்னா டொமஸ்டிக், ஹேண்ட்லூம், ஓல்ட் ஏஜ் ஹோம்ஸ், கன்சல்டன்சி. ஸோ இவங்களுக்குலாம் எவ்வளோன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, ரைட், வில் சி. அதுக்கு கீழே என்னென்ன வருது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, வில் ஹாவ் consumed about, will have 3 different varieties of those things, right? 100 units free scheme, because of Tamil Nadu government actually running government, right? So they just introduced about a free scheme. So about 1 to 100 units it will be free, right? First 100 units free. So on the first 100 units go, what are the price? The first 100 rupees go, what are the price? So 2.5 rupee, 2 rupee and 50 paise for a 0 to 100 unit. So and there is a one more fixed cost about 30 rupee. So this way it will be different. Got idea? Mela pathina will have energy charge, will have a demand charge. Got idea? So tariff fixed by this energy supply, TNERC, Tamil Nadu, TANGEDCO, how actually they just fix the tariff. So அதில் 2 சார்ஜ் இருக்கு, எனர்ஜி சார்ஜ், டிமாண்ட் சார்ஜ் ஃபார் ஹை டென்ஷன் பவர் சப்ளை. அதே மாதிரி லோ டென்ஷனுக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எனர்ஜி சார்ஜ். ஸோ எனர்ஜி சார்ஜ் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் கிலோ வாட் ஹவர், தட் இஸ் நவ் யூனிட். டிமாண்ட்ங்கிறது how much maximum power supply you could extract from a grid line. And here in low tension, we'll have a kilowatt hour, that is now energy charge. Second thing is now fixed charge for a 2 month. What actually fixed charge? அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். இது என்ன fixed charge என்ன? So every month we are just paying about 30 rupee extra. That is now a constant amount. It's not going to be vary, right? So this is a fixed cost. What actually fixed cost? அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். How actually they just framing, right? And subsidy, if you're having any subsidy, we'll have. So for example, you got an idea? So if you're having low tension power supply, that is called tariff 1A இருந்தீங்கன்னா, right, definitely have first 100 units free in Tamil Nadu, and a different state, different amount will be there, right? Now that BJP government, they just introduced about a national grid, one tariff, one grid. We'll see future how actually it's going to be changing, right? We'll see. And first 100 unit will be free. For the 100 unit, it will be 2.5 tariff. And above, what could I say? 500 units. If you are just going to consuming above 500 units, in the sense, definitely your tariff rate is going to be changing. So right, so bi-monthly charge, right? So 0 to 200 into element 2.5 rupee da. So 201 kadukaprom about 500 units போனீங்கன்னா will have a 3 rupee per unit, okay? The same way bi-monthly about 500 unit மேல நீங்க கன்சியூம் பண்ணீங்கன்னா first 100 unit free, and about அதுக்கு மேல போனீங்கன்னா will have a tariff rate will be getting changed. So above 500 unit will have a tariff rate 6.6. அதுவும் high tension equal வந்துருச்சா, high tension 6.35 காமனா. If you are going to consuming above 500 unit, in the sense, you will also reach about that power supply for 6.63, right? And you will have a government things will be there, 1A, 1B. So 1A la வந்துட்டு எல்லாமே domestic applications வரும். Will coming to 1B, that is called village panchayat, right? So we'll have a street light, we'll have those things will be there, right? So some what could I say, temples will be there. We'll have the public lighting system, right? A balcony, that is called a roadside lights, right? So defense, police headquarters, everything it will be covered, right? Because everyone is now consuming electricity energy. So in the tariff rate la யாருமே விட்டு வச்சிருக்க மாட்டாங்க, எல்லாருமே எல்லா கேட்டகரியில வந்துருவாங்க. public lighting about government local bodies, water supply, right? அதுக்கு pump யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, water supply they using pump, right? And government education institutions, lab, laboratory, private education, hostel, every category and every what could I say, cottages, right? Agriculture and allied activities எல்லாமே கவர் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே there is a tariff rate. Anyway, I'm just going to skip it right now. ஸோ அதுக்கும் யூனிட் இருக்கு, அதுக்கும் 4.5, 6.5, 7.5. Got idea, right? So how actually how much money actually they are just fixing அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைச்சிருச்சு இல்லையா. Now we are just directly jump into how actually they just framing this utility rate, right? We'll see, right? அந்த ரேட்டை ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்றாங்க இல்லையா, ரைட்? Just now we have seen a TANGEDCO tariff rate, right? These are the energy, right? Energy charges about high tension power supply. They just framing about tariff rate, right? So how actually they just framing what are the things while just they just putting this value right over here. TANGEDCO எவ்வளவு fix பண்றாங்க இல்லையா, this is a revised rate, this much amount actually they just putting, right? In the rate fix பண்றதுக்கு actually what are the things they need to consider அப்படிங்கிறது தான் which we are just going to see by today classes, right? How actually this is framing. So on the frame பண்றதுக்கு what are the things they need to consider, right? அப்படிங்கிறது தான் பார்க்கணும். That's what called my today topic, that is called utility rate structures. So on the, for example, we already know as electrical people, we already know that, right? How actually energy is now transferred, right, from a generation station to consumer. Definitely generate பண்றதுக்கு we need a power plant. That is now I'm just talking about my own area. That's why we are having a Mettur power supply division. So அப்போ Mettur thermal plant I need to visit. So அப்போ அங்க என்னென்ன thing which is now required to generate electricity. Definitely we need boiler, we need water. So we need a civil concession about my dam, and we need a turbine to rotate my entire alternator. I need alternator, step up a transformer. So the whole area is now record about my entire thing. Up installation cost about my physical plant. So upon a single phase power supply, I'm just going to consuming this much energy. For example, I'm just showing, right, single phase power supply. So about I need to pay about 2.5 rupee. There is my utility rate, right? So 2.5 rupee எப்படி spend ஆகும்னு பாருங்களேன். So this is what my 2.5 rupee around 60% of money is going to, right? So it's going to be my power plant construction. So power plant Mettur, for example, will have a third 600 megawatt. This is a newly power supply we just got in from a Mettur. There's now 600 single unit to 600 megawatt. What could I say? Third unit is now generated. So around 2013, just actually they started and commissioning plan பண்ணிட்டு 2013 onwards actually they just running. So அப்ப அதுக்கு எவ்வளவு அவங்க ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணாங்க, I will just show you that every data which I just got it from that website from Mettur thermal power plant. It will be around 4,000 crore actually they just spent it, right? So to build those entire power plant about that third unit power plant, right? So 4,000 crore they spend it. So upon the 4,000 crore as a public sector company that is called TANGEDCO, they need to get it back as a payback, right? They need to get a return on investment. So அப்படிங்கிறப்ப எல்லாமே everything is now money based. Definitely they need to get it back. So for 4,000 crore, they spent it, right? So to build up that power plant, definitely the money அவங்க earn பண்ணணும் இல்லையா. That's why they just charge you people, right, about 2.5 rupee. On the 2.5 rupee single phase power supply, about 60% of money is now going to be power plant. Remaining 40% of money in 2.5 rupee unitல எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் போகும், will have that cost factors. So now power plant மட்டும் இருந்தா மட்டும் எனக்கு எனர்ஜி கிடைக்காது, because that energy need to be traveled, right? So because my power plant is away from 60 kilometers from my consumer end, right? Definitely I need a transmission line. So transmission line also is a part of your power transmission then power thing, right? Definitely I need a human tower lines, and for that purpose I need to purchase it. So அதுக்கும் as a direct government involve ஆகாது, tender கொடுத்துருவாங்க. Tenderல தான் just going to plant it to the transmission line. So transmission line is also cost, right? அந்த கண்டக்டர்லாம் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணணும் இல்லையா, பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணிட்டு எரெக்ஷன் அண்ட் கமிஷனிங் பண்ணணும். Definitely அதை மெயின்டைனும் பண்ணணும், right? So substationல they need to maintain, right? So what is the inductance level about my conductor level. So you just have one more subject, high voltage engineering படிச்சிட்டு இருப்பீங்க. So அதுல எல்லாமே தெரியும் என்னென்ன things they just going to monitor, right? So everything is now automation. So automation இருந்தாலும் அந்த automation ஃபாலோ பண்ணதுக்கு we need a human people, right? So அவங்களுக்கு சார்ஜ் monthly salary கொடுக்கணும் இல்லையா. That's why that just got idea. So autonomous system இருந்தாலுமே அவங்க அதை மானிட்டர் பண்ணதுக்கு we need a human power, man power. அந்த மேன் பவருக்கு மந்த்லி சார்ஜ் கொடுக்கணும் இல்லையா. ஜஸ்ட் காட் ஐடியா. அந்த மந்த்லி சார்ஜ் தான் இட்ஸ் நோ ஃபிக்ஸ்ட் காஸ்ட், வில் சி லேட்டர், ரைட்? ஸோ அந்த ஆட்டோனமைஸ் பார்க்கறதுக்கு வி நீட் அ மேன் பவர். அவங்களுக்கு மந்த்லி சேலரி வி நீட் டு கிவ். ஸோ அந்த காஸ்ட் தான் ஃபிக்ஸ்ட் காஸ்ட்ல இருந்து கொடுப்பாங்க, ரைட்? வில் சி. And then substation will have a power factor correction, and will have a step down transformer booster, right? Voltage boost பண்ணி கொடுக்கணும், right? So will have a separate subject படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. So transmission line losses இருக்கும். ஸோ ஸ்டெப் அப் பண்றப்போ வோல்டேஜ் அதிகப்படுத்திருப்போம், டவுன் வோல்டேஜ் டவுன் பண்ணிருப்போம், சாரி கரண்ட் டவுன் பண்ணிருப்போம். அண்ட் சப்ஸ்டேஷன் தே வில் ஜஸ்ட் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, அரௌண்ட் ஒரு 100 கிலோமீட்டர்ஸ் ஆஃப்டர் டிராவல் பண்ண பிறகு வோல்டேஜ் கண்டிப்பா இண்டக்டன்ஸ் எஃபெக்ட் அண்ட் கெப்பாசிட்டன்ஸ் எஃபெக்ட்ல என்ன இருக்கும், வோல்டேஜ் ட்ராப் இருக்கும். அதை அகைன் சப்ஸ்டேஷன்ல பூஸ்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, as well as பவர் ஃபேக்டர் கரெக்ஷன் பண்ணுவாங்க, ரைட்? அண்ட் அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும், தே நீட் டு பர்ச்சேஸ் மெனி திங்ஸ், ரைட்? தே நீட் டு இன்ஸ்டால் மெனி திங்ஸ், ரைட்? அண்ட் அதுக்கும் வி நீட் டு கெட் அ மணி. ஸோ அதுக்கும் மணி, அந்த மணி தான் இட் வில் பி நவ் அரௌண்ட் இதுக்கு ஒரு 10-15% அபவுட் மணி போயிடும், இதுக்கு ஒரு 10%. ஆஃப்டர் சப்ஸ்டேஷன் டெஃபினெட்லி டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன். ஸோ டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்மர் வேணும், ரைட்? அதுக்கும் எனக்கு வி நீட் capacitor line, capacitors as well as conductors, what is called a street post, right? Everything is now major role. இது எல்லாமே நம்ம, நீங்க ஒரு கனெக்ஷன் வாங்குறீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே அவங்க as a government they will do, right? So again they will get it back with a tariff rate. So எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருவாங்க, then மணியா வாங்குவாங்க, right? And then after distribution definitely in our end of your consumer side there will be meter. ஸோ மீட்டருக்கும் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, தே நீட் டு வாட் குட் ஐ சே, உங்களுக்கு காசு ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, தே வில் ஜஸ்ட் புட் தேர் ஓன் மீட்டர், பட் தே வில் கெட் யூ லேட்டர், ரைட்? They will get a meter, that is a meter that will be interface your customer side as well as my utility side. That is what my power supply side. So the meter it will be cost, because they are also getting from a third vendor, the public sector on the tangible வந்துட்டு they will just buy it from a Siemens company or maybe different company. Many companies will be there, right? அந்த கம்பெனி இருந்தா ஹோல்சேல பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணிட்டு they just going to install, ரைட்? அதுக்கும் அவங்க பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணணும்னா மணி வாங்கணும் இல்லையா? எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் நவ் மணி. திஸ் ஆர் ஒன் மோர் காஸ்ட் ஃபேக்டர். ஃபைனலி, ஸோ வி பீப்புள் ஹாவ் அ 30 days ஒன்ஸ் வாட் குட் ஐ சே பில்லிங் பீரியட். ஸோ அந்த பில்லை எப்படி அவங்க கன்சியூம், எப்படி ரெடி பண்றாங்க? ஒன் ஹியூமன், ரைட்ஸ், மெனி ஹியூமன்ஸ் இஸ் நவ் நீடட். ஸோ நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு வருவாங்க, தே ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு லுக் இன் டு மீட்டர், அந்த மீட்டர் மேனுவலா they will just look out that reading, or maybe nowadays it will be somewhat handheld meter இருக்கு, just they just downloading. இந்த டேட்டாவை மேனுவலா அவங்க விசிட் பண்ணணும் இல்லையா? விசிட் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த டேட்டாவை அவங்க ஆஃபீஸுக்கு கொண்டு போகணும். அண்ட் தே வில் ஜஸ்ட் ஹேவிங் சாஃப்ட்வேர் அண்ட் ஹிஸ்டரி டேட்டாஸ் வில் பி தேர், ப்ரீவியஸ் மந்த் டேட்டா, இந்த மந்த் டேட்டா, அந்த மைனஸ் பண்ணிட்டு தே வில் ஜஸ்ட் கால்குலேட் யுவர் டேட்டாஸ் அண்ட் தென் ஜஸ்ட் தே வில் மெயில் யூ, ஆர் மேபி மெசேஜ் யூ, ஆர் மேபி சென்ட் யூ லெட்டர், ரைட்? ஸோ அப்போ இதுக்கு எல்லாமே மேன் பவர் தேவை, ரைட்? ஸோ அந்த மேன் பவர் தட் இஸ் கால்டு மை அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேட்டிவ் காஸ்ட். தட் இஸ் கால்டு டெக்னிக்கல் பீப்புள். பவர் சப்ளை ரெய்னி சீசன்ல கட் ஆகும், அப்போ அந்த வயர்லாம் கட் ஆகிடும், அதை ஜஸ்ட் கோ வித் மெயின்டெனன்ஸ், ரைட்? டெக்னிக்கல் ஸ்டாஃப் இஸ் நீடட். ஸோ அவங்களுக்குலாம் மணி கொடுக்கணும் இல்லையா? அவங்க தட் மணி ஆல்சோ இஸ் நவ் காஸ்ட். அந்த காஸ்ட் தான் என்னுடைய வாட் குட் ஐ சே மை ஃபிக்ஸ்ட் காஸ்ட். அந்த பீப்புள்லாம் ஒர்க் பண்றதுக்கு ஆஃபீஸ் ஸ்பேஸ், கம்ப்யூட்டர் வேணும், எக்யூப்மெண்ட், டெலிஃபோன் லைன்ஸ், பவர் பட்ஸ் உடனே கால் பண்றோம் இல்லையா, டெலிஃபோன் லைன்ஸ், எவ்ரி திங் நவ் இட்ஸ் பி, அவங்களுக்கு இன்சூரன்ஸ், ரைட்ஸ், திஸ் ஆல் கால்ட் அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேட்டிவ் பவர்ஸ், அவங்களுக்கு மணி தரணும். ஸோ இது எல்லா காஸ்ட் ஃபேக்டருமே, மீட்டர் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்றது, டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்மர் வாங்குறது, சப்ஸ்டேஷன் இருக்கிறது, ரைட்? அண்ட் டிரான்ஸ்மிஷன் லைன் அண்ட் பவர் பிளான்ட், இது எல்லாத்துக்குமே இட்ஸ் நவ் மணி இஸ் நீடட், ஹியூஜ் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் மணி இஸ் நீடட், ரைட்? ஸோ அந்த மணில எப்படி அவங்க ரிட்டர்ன் பேக் எடுக்கிறது? வித் ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் யூட்டிலிட்டி ரேட், right? So now this is called my utility rate structures about my electrical energy. We'll move into my natural gas, right? The same thing it will be applied. This is also some one more structure. It will be this is called vertical structure. We'll have one more structure. It will be the same thing. It will be repeated in my horizontal six also. But got an idea about what actually that utility rate is now, how actually it's fixed, right? What are the things should be considered while framing that rate structures? That's what the most important over here, right? These are the 7 steps: plant, transmission line, substation, and distribution, and finally meters and administration, right? And energy. And the same thing, this is the one more important thing will be also there. Apart from these 6 steps, there is a one more steps that will be available. So energy. So actually in May to thermal power plant, we'll having a thermal power plant. So how actually we are just generating a steam to rotate my turbine. Definitely I need a coal energy, right? So coal order rate, it will be getting vary, because we are just getting a major goal is now we are getting from a naval NLC, Lignite Corporation. So day by day that so resource is now getting down. That is called demand is now getting increasing, right? This NLC people, right? So even ஒருத்தர் மட்டும் தான் தெர்மலுக்கு பவர், மேட்டூருக்கு பவர் கோல் தராங்க அப்படிங்கிறதுலாம் கிடையாது. They are also selling to my private agency also, right? Who are needed coal, right? So definitely they are just selling, right? So every public sector also is now selling. Also we are just getting from an NLC also for Metro thermal power plant. So demand increase supply energy reduce ஆகும், as well as price is also going to be getting increasing. So அப்ப coal energy increase ஆச்சுன்னா, that is called demand increase ஆகுது, supply குறையுது, definitely price is also going to be getting increase. அதனால தான் tariff rate every 5 years or maybe 3 years once என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, TANGEDCO or maybe every state government they're just going to revise once again, right? Because of energy அவங்களுக்கு ரிசோர்ஸ் அங்கிருந்து வருது, அவங்களுக்கு ரிசோர்ஸ் it shows that என்ன மீனிங் அப்படின்னா, why tariff rate increase பண்ணாங்கன்னா definitely அவங்க சைட்ல ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு, பிகாஸ் ரிசோர்ஸஸ் அதிகமா யூஸ் பண்றோம். நம்ம சைட்ல நம்ம டேரிஃப் ரேட் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ண நாம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஓகே வி ஹாவ் அவேர்னஸ், ரைட்? ஸோ வி ஆர் ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு ஸ்பெண்ட் மச் மணி, ரைட்? அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவோம், வி ஆர் ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு ஹாவ் மச் அவேர்னஸ், ஓகே எனர்ஜி வந்துட்டு அதிகமா யூஸ் பண்ண, யூட்டிலிட்டி வந்துட்டு அதிகமா யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது, ஒன்லி ரெக்குவயர்மெண்ட்டுக்கு மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும், வேஸ்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது, வில் ஹாவ் தட் ஐடியா. ஸோ பேக் எண்ட்ல என்ன ஆகும், CO2 எமிஷன் ரெடியூ ஆகும், குளோபலைசேஷன் அண்ட் டெம்பரேச்சர் ரெடியூஸ் ஆகும், அண்ட் ரிசோர்சஸ் வந்துட்டு கரெக்டா ஆப்டிமலா யூஸ் பண்ணிக்க முடியும், ரைட்? எவ்ரி திங் இஸ் நவ் இன்டர் ரிலேட்டட். அண்ட் தேர்ட் ஒன் இஸ் நவ் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட், ரைட்? ஸோ ஒரு கவர்மெண்ட் வந்துட்டு 5 crores வந்துட்டு ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா, அவுட் ஆஃப் இட்ல தேர் ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு expect many more output, right? So after 5 years or 10 years back, they just expecting 5,000 crores spend பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னா, அதுல இருந்து இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் எதிர்பார்ப்பாங்க இல்லையா, as a public sector also, right? And finally profit out of it, right? So we'll see. அது எப்படி பார்த்தோன்னா, we'll have economic analysis பார்த்தோம், அதுல they will have a number of analysis, right? Anyway, I'm just going to show you one more small tab, right? Because entire screen is now getting certain no issues. Now I'm just going to show you one more small thing that is about uh, that is what could I say, my Meitu thermal power plant entire thing I'm just going to show you. This one Meitu thermal power plant stage entire document, right? So which I just got it from Meitu thermal plant website. So that capacity, it will be now 6,600 megawatt single unit. 2013 they just started. Total cost about that much project. இதெல்லாமே invoke ஆகும் அந்த tariff rate structure frame பண்றதுக்கு. எப்படி frame பண்ணாங்கன்னா, how much energy they just spent it to build a thermal power plant. Around 5,000 crores they spent. This is the original data which has got it, right, from their website, parent website. And this is a contractor. So as a TANGEDCO or TNEB, they're actually Tamil Nadu Electricity Board, right? So those days around 5 years or 8 years before, இப்பதான் TANGEDCO, but in olden days we people called as TNEB, but இப்பதான் மாறிடுச்சு TANGEDCO, right? So TNEB they actually the contractor. And Meitu thermal plant major product பாத்தீங்கன்னா boiler and turbine and generator. So that's called, they will call it as BTG. அதுதான் மேஜர் பார்ட், ரைட்? அண்ட் அதை என்ன பண்ணா டெண்டர் கொடுத்துருவாங்க. இட்ஸ் கவர்மெண்ட் அண்ட் டிஎன்இபி வந்துட்டு ஒர்க் பண்ண முடியாது. தே வில் ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு கிவ் யூ டெண்டர் டு கோயிங் டு கம்மிங் வித் மை கொட்டேஷன், தே வில் ஜஸ்ட் கிவ் யூ. ஸோ அந்த கொட்டேஷன் வந்துட்டு யார் வாங்கினாங்கன்னா, PGRESL. திஸ் இஸ் ஒன் மோர் சைனீஸ் கம்பெனி, அண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் ஒன் மோர் கம்பெனி விச் இஸ் நவ் லொக்கேட்டட் அட் சென்னை, ரைட்? இவங்க தான் அந்த கான்ட்ராக்டர், ரைட்? தே ஆர் ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு build up thermal power plant. So this is, just Google it, you will get it, right? So anyway, no issues. BGRESL, right? One more Chennai based company. And these people are just actually buying a product from what could I say, from Chinese company, and they just Chinese China import பண்ணாங்கன்னா, I'll just show you that entire data all over the India full. I'm having data, no issues. I will just show you, right, what are the thermal power plants, wind plant, and how much energy we just generated, and what are the future target. Everything just got a data. Anyway, I'm just going to show you that entire real data, and from Ministry of Power website. No issues. I'll just show you, right? So இதெல்லாம் பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் they're just now framing that tariff actually. So now today topic is now over. I'm just giving extra data, right? Actually extra additional data which you just going to have a much idea about the tariff rate எப்படி fix பண்றாங்க அப்படிங்கிற data you get clearly, you get idea, right? And EPC, that is called about the erection and the commissioning work, right? So the total erection, commissioning, buying, everything is now 300 crores, right? So 3,000 crores, right? That will be there. So brief escape, everything is now civil construction, electrical, thermal, everything is now mechanical, electrical, civil construction, architectural, control and instrumentation, right? These are my software and instrumentation side, right? So control valve, switch gear, MCB, everything is now, it will be over here. And DCS, distributed control system, will be there, and PLC, everything it will be there. And Meitu thermal plant, third stage, single engineering. That's why it's 1 into 600 megawatt, right? So including everything, right? That's why it's this scope. And source of funding, there is now Power Finance Corporation, New Delhi, which we just got it from central government, right? 5,000 crore. And started by the plant location, geolocation identified on this 2008. and date of commissioning, right? So that within 5 years they just started to generate electricity energy. So single unit synchronous 2012, fully load touched about 2012, and achieved by that is date of commission is now achieved by 2013. So 13 onwards, it's working, right? This is original data which I just got it. And these are some major milestones about Metro last 600 megawatt, right? So 2009 start பண்ணி 13 இருந்து போயிட்டு இருக்கு till it's now running, right? Now I'm just going to moving into one more small tab, right? I'll see. Before into that, I'm just going to show you one more data which I just got it from government of India, Ministry of Power, right? These are real-time data, right? Ministry of Government of India, Ministry of Power, and actually the tariff rate of actually it's now changing. We'll see. So these are thermal power generating plant utilities, right? So how actually that spare parts management, because na thermal plant construct பண்ணிட்டு அப்படியே விடவும் முடியாது. We need a continuous O&M, that is called operating and maintenance thing is definitely needed, because it's very important thing. Power plant la small issue na kuda udane uh, we need to look into it out and we need to rectify it. So if இல்லைன்னா total entire power grid is going to be getting got turned off. So it's not the most important thing, right? So O&M, that is called a spare part management in thermal power plant. இதுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய கமிட்டி மெம்பரே இருக்காங்க மினிஸ்ட்ரி ஆஃப் பவர்ல. ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் நம்ம ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, so how much that requirement என்னது, why I'm just going to spending, right? How much quantity we needed. So it's around 66 pages report which I just got it from Ministry of Power. I'm just going to scroll it much fast, but you could see thermal power plant la என்னென்ன components இருக்கும், என்னென்ன problem வரலாம், right? What are the things needed, we'll see one by one. Around 66 page, I'm just going to scroll down much faster. You could have that thing, right? High pressure steam turbine boiler, alakra chinna chinna flange, gearbox, liquid items, bolt nut, everything, it will be coming there, right? You'll see spare part diaphragm in that, what could I say, my control valve, a coupling bolt, bearing, lubricating oil, well, heater, feed water system, right? Coal handling system, we need conveyor belt, conveyor gearbox. இதெல்லாமே already available parts which is available in my thermal power plant. இதுல வர ப்ராப்ளத்தை we just going to see later. And electrical items, paddle feeder, motor, and cooling tower, we need electrical motor pump drives and VFD drives, HV system, compressed air, spare parts. Hereafter it will be circuit breaker, isolators, current transformer, and capacitor, voltage transformer, surge arrestor, circuit breaker. We'll see little fast and moving. So everything control system will be also there in ID fan, FD fan, force draft fan, so sealing oil, gasket, every bolt and nut, it will be listed over here, right? So this is the original data which is recorded from Ministry of Power. Light, lamp, fixtures, fixture parts. Because of night time power plant run ஆகும் இல்லையா, அப்ப அங்க எப்ப problem வந்துச்சுன்னா definitely we need a lighting system. அதுக்கு fixtures, lighting control switches, junction boxes, everything, it will be listed all over here. This 66 pages, right? And boiler la pathina will have this much things which is now critical spare, which is already நான் போயிட்டு உடனே வாங்கிட்டுல மார்க்கெட்ல வரக்கூடாது. ஆல்ரெடி ஸ்பேர் பார்ட்ஸ் அங்க இருக்கணும். டெஃபினெட்லி உடனே நான் ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணணும். தென் ஒன்லி குட் ஹேவ் கண்டினியூஸ் பவர் சப்ளை, இன்டரப்ஷன் இல்லாம இருக்கணும் இல்லையா? தட்ஸ் வை இது எல்லாம் ஸ்டாண்ட் பைல இருக்கணும், ரைட்? தட்ஸ் வை வி நீட் டு பர்ச்சேஸ் ஃபார் எவ்ரி தெர்மோ பவர் பிளான்ட். இதெல்லாம் அந்த பேஸ்ட் அப்பான் தட் கெப்பாசிட்டி ஆஃப் பவர் பிளான்ட், இதெல்லாம் ஸ்டாக்ல இருக்கணும், ஸ்பேர் பார்ட்ஸ் இருக்கணும், ரைட்? ஸோ அதுக்கு நம்ம இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணணும். So we'll have, I'm just going to show you that one more report. So how many thermal power plant will be running about in our India, right? Other report to kaamikiren, region wise or state wise, I'm just going to show you later, right? So how much money actually we are just spending as a government, right? We'll see. It's a very huge amount of problem and huge amount of money, huge amount of manpower is required. It's very, very biggest issue. That's why India is now population will be very high. The problem is also will be very high. We'll see later. And I'm just going to just moving little fast. I'm just going to share with you this topic. Just go with it. Just to have a broader idea how actually energy is now traveling and how actually energy is generating and how actually we are just using. Let's see, everything, it will be there, right? So every control valve, this all everything is now safety valve control, because we are just handling high pressure steam, high pressure temperature furnace. அப்படின்றப்ப எவ்வளோ சேஃப்டி வால்வ் இஸ் மச் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட், ரைட்? ஸோ சேஃப்டி வால்வ், பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் பாய்லர் வெடிச்சதுன்னா டோட்டலி அந்த ஒரு 2 கிலோமீட்டருக்கு எதுவுமே இருக்காது, ரைட்? So we are just going to thinking those things also, right? And the turbine and intermediate pressure turbine, bearing, jaw coil. You see, these are the entire things. And controller part will be there. It will be also. I'm just going to looking for a control system. Hydraulic system, conveyor belt, pulleys, runner, vibrating thing, braking system, analytical system, right? Right, and motor sites, cooling towers, compressed air system, HVAC system, air handling systems, electrical systems, right? Circuit breakers, isolators, current transformer, spas, isolators, finally it's coming to breakers, ports and relays, others, substation items. I'm just only having 5 minutes more. I'm just going to much fast anyway. Now these are the things which will be needed. VFD, right? Everything is now required. So எல்லாமே money then money வச்சு தான் அவங்க tariff rate fix பண்றாங்க, right? I'm just going to share one more tab that is now status about my Ministry of Power, which I just got the same data. Monthly report on broad status of thermal power project in this century, April 2018. Right? How many power plant will be there, and how many what could I say maximum capacity, and what are the things, right? It will be available in this report. I'm just going to go through that. This year, in the current year, நான் சொல்றேன். Current year thermal power project 2020 June எடுத்த report, right? So it's now currently working. எல்லா வெப்சைட்லயுமே ரன்னிங்ல தான் இருக்கு. I thought that every government website work ஆகாதுன்னு நினைச்சேன், but actually it's working, right? Right, anyway, Maytour I'm showing because we people already seen Maytour. That's why I'm showing you about Maytour. So region wise இருக்கு, we'll see that entire around 120 pages report. இதுல Maytour மட்டும் உங்களுக்கு காமிக்கிறேன். Actually, you could see in Tamil Nadu state based thermal. Only I'm just talking about the thermal, right? Maytour TPP extension, right? That is now TNEB. Just that time TNEB தான் just board, right? Electricity board, and unit 1 August 8 they just started. So what actually Chinese company only, they just providing those control system and boiler, turbine, everything we just got it from Chinese, and maximum capacity about 600 megawatt, and commissioning எப்ப வந்துச்சு 2013 onwards commissioning start ஆயிடுச்சு, right? So the same way நல்லா வாட்ச் பண்ணீங்கன்னா தெரியும், இங்க சைனீஸ் தான் அதிகமா இருக்கு. பெல்ல விட Chinese people they will have much influence over here. We'll see Bell, Chinese, right? Why I just got a question over here, right? So that's why bit confusion about Chinese people, right? ஏன் நம்ம வந்துட்டு எல்லாம் எக்ஸ்போர்ட்ல இருந்து வாங்கியிருக்கோம், ஏன் இந்தியாவிலேயே மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணலாங்கிறது, there will be one more question it will be rising over here, right? So many power plant in our India, right? It will be now Adani, right? So Adani also one more private company, BISR, Sterlite, right? So we'll have a number of private company. அங்க இருக்கிற ப்ராடக்ட் எல்லாமே பாய்லர், தெர்மல் கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம், டிசிஎஸ் எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா சைனால இருந்து நம்ம இம்போர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். Why actually I don't know, right? We'll see many China, only China, right? We have much investment அவங்களோட இந்தியால இருக்கு, right? Anyway, just be look into that, right? If people maybe in next 10 to 20 years people are just going to work in many government sector company and private companies, right? Just go with it some Indian products, right? So ஏன் வந்து Chinese வந்து தெரியல, just go with it, because I'm just going to create a small awareness but among you people, right? So just go with that. I know maybe in 20 years, a couple of 10 to 20 years நீங்க தான் ஒர்க் பண்ண போறீங்க. Just go with it some Indian products, right? So anyway, I'm just going to pause it over here and we'll continue by your tomorrow classes, right? So thank you all for listening. We'll meet by your next classes. Thank you all. So anyway, I'm just going to share